Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to transform yourself into a random object. Clip 1. Film yourself jumping. And be sure to dress in the same color as the object. Clip 2. Drop the object in front of the camera. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import both videos into InShot. Scroll to the part where you're mid-air, split the clip and delete it. Now scroll to the part where the orange is mid-air, split the clip and delete it. Take a screenshot of the frame where you're mid-air. Tap PIP and import the screenshot. Press autofill to fit to screen. Tap cutout to remove the background. Now adjust the duration of the screenshot. Add a keyframe at the start, then resize your cutout. Tap Animation, Out, and Fade to fade out the cutout. And you'll get something like this. Here are the final results.
Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.